Every time you slice an onion, your clay eyes begin to water. It almost feels like the onion is fighting back. But here's the strange part. The onion isn't trying to make you cry. It's trying to defend itself from being eaten, and the tiny invisible chemical responsible for your tears is one of the most fascinating biological defense systems in the plant kingdom. An onion looks harmless. Layer after layer, it sits quietly in your kitchen. But inside every cell is a carefully stored chemical defense. The onion keeps its ingredients separated, almost like two chemicals locked in different rooms. As long as the onion remains intact, nothing happens. But the moment your knife cuts through its cells, everything changes. Cutting an onion ruptures thousands of tiny plant cells. An enzyme called a lionase suddenly mixes with sulfur-containing compounds that were stored separately. Within seconds, a chain of chemical reactions begins. These reactions produce an extremely volatile gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. Because it's so light, the gas quickly floats upward through the air. And unfortunately, your eyes are directly in its path. When the gas reaches the surface of your eyes, it dissolves into the thin layer of moisture covering them. This creates mildly irritating sulfur-containing compounds. Your eyes immediately recognize these chemicals as potential threats. Tiny nerve endings send emergency signals to your brain. The message is simple: protect the eyes. Within moments, your tear glands produce a flood of tears. The goal isn't sadness. The tears simply wash away the irritating chemicals before they can cause damage. In other words, crying is actually your eyes cleaning themselves. Now, imagine this happening in a tiny clay world. A miniature clay chef carefully slices a giant onion. Tiny and visible clouds of onion gas drift through the kitchen. The clay character's oversized, glossy eyes begin filling with giant, sparkling tears. Tiny clay teardrops roll down their face while they desperately keep chopping. It's funny to watch, but behind the adorable animation is real biology. The same chemical reactions occur whether you're in a real kitchen or imagining one in clay. Fortunately, there are ways to reduce the effect. Chilling an onion before cutting slows the chemical reactions, producing less irritating gas. Using a very sharp knife causes less cell damage, releasing fewer chemicals. Good ventilation carries the gas away before it reaches your face. Some people even wear protective goggles, not because onions are dangerous, but because your eyes are simply doing exactly what evolution designed them to do. So, the next time an onion makes your eyes water, remember this: the onion isn't attacking you. It's activating a defense system that evolved over millions of years to discourage animals from eating it. And your tears aren't a sign of weakness. They're proof that your body's protective biology is working perfectly. Sometimes, even the smallest vegetables can reveal some of nature's smartest survival strategies.